Is your Jeep Wrangler key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. Wranglers JK, JL, and JT models typically use a CR2032 battery, which lasts about 1 to 2 years. Symptoms include unresponsive buttons or intermittent operation. To fix this, carefully pry open the fob using a small screwdriver. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity to avoid short circuits. If a battery change doesn't work, the next most common solutions are to try the relearn procedure or replace the receiver module. However, before attempting these, it is best to consult with a local professional to determine the correct solution for your specific situation. If a new battery doesn't solve the key fob problem, the fob may need to be reprogrammed to your Jeep. The relearn procedure varies by model. For JK models, cycle the ignition key. For JL and JT models, use the vehicle's touchscreen menu or OBD2 tools. The basic steps involve entering programming mode, often by pressing the brake pedal and start buttons simultaneously, then holding the fob buttons to sync, and finally exiting the mode. If reprogramming doesn't work and problems persist, the issue might be with the receiver module, which is often part of the body control module or BCM. Diagnostics require an OBD2 scanner to reveal error codes, such as U417, which indicates fob communication problems. Replacing the receiver module involves accessing it under the dash by removing trim panels, plugging in a new module, and then reprogramming all your fobs. If you are not comfortable performing these procedures, or if the problem continues to persist, it's best to consult with a professional mechanic.